Good day, viewers. This is Dr. APC, and I am reporting direct from Mmuta. On the board, we have a topic, standard form, and of course, the subject, mathematics. Okay, what is a standard form? A standard form is simply a scientific way, or standard form is simply the scientific way of writing numbers. Yes. If you have a number that looks very large or much, you can express it in standard form without changing its original value. It is still going to retain the original value. So what do we do? In this case, if you have any number and you want to express that number in standard form, it must take the form of a times 10 to the power of n, where a is a number that is between 1 and 10. Remember, and a can equal be 1 because this less than or equal to means that it can equal be 1. You understand? It is from 1 and above, but it should be less than 10. Meaning that a can be 1.4, a can be 1, a can be 9.92, a can be 4.43, any number at all, even 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, and above. But a can never be 10, remember. Okay, and then n is an integer. Of course, in our last class, we discussed integers to be the union of positive and negative whole numbers. So this n you are seeing can be positive or negative. So let us try and convert the following numbers to numbers in standard form. We have the first one, 4,000. The second one, 5,230. The third one, 6,800. And the fourth one, of course, is 794,182. So we simply say the first one is 4,000. Let us express this as a number in standard form. Mind you, all numbers on earth or in mathematics, they are having decimal points. And the one that looks as if it is not having any decimal points, just know that the decimal point is after the last digit. So there is a decimal point that is not visible here. So we are going to move. You either move from right to left or you move from left to right. So in this case, there are so many numbers here. I am moving towards this side. So I am going to count 1, 2, and 3. I am going to stop here. The reason why I am going to stop is that this decimal point divides the number into two parts, the integer part and the decimal part. And in this integer part, this 4 I am seeing is a number that is less than 10. So it is satisfying this condition. Therefore, I have this to be 4. You can say 0.0 or 0.000, but it is not necessary because if 0 is after the decimal point, it is regarded as an insignificant number. So you can just write 4 times 10 raised to power. The number of times you moved 1, 2, 3. So it is 4 raised to power 3. The next question, 5,230. Let us express it as a number in standard form. 5,230. Remember, there is a decimal point here, so we are moving towards this side. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we now have 5.23. Writing 0 here is not necessary. It is not necessary, but you can write it if you want. So we have 5.23 times 10 raised to power. The number of times we moved 3 times, so we are going to have 5.3 times 10 raised to power 3. So the third question we have here, we have C to the 6,800. We want to express this as a number in standard form. We simply move towards this side. 1, 2, 3. We are going to have 6.8. Remember, times 10 raised to power 3. And then the last one, the D part, we have 794182. It is going to be, if you shift towards the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are going to have 7.94182 times 10 raised to power. The number of times you moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 raised to power 5. Alright, let's look at this.